Here's a pair of the T21 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to an Android phone via Bluetooth. The Android phone that I'm using here is the Samsung Galaxy S22 Plus. So the first thing we want to do is put the earbuds in a pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in the case. I'm going to go ahead and take these buds out now. And as soon as you take them out, if you're not paired to a different device, they should automatically go into pairing mode, which one of these will blink blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, okay? I'm not getting nothing on here. The reason why I'm not getting no lights on here is because I'm currently connected to a different device. I'm actually connected to my iPhone here. So let me go and turn off Bluetooth on my iPhone here. Let me go to settings. I'm going to go to Bluetooth here. And now as soon as I turn these off, watch the earbuds. As soon as I turn these off, now look at the earbuds. Now one of them is blinking blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. Okay? So now it's in pairing mode. So now we're going to go to our phone here while the earbuds are in pairing mode. Now we're going to go to settings, and then you're going to go to Bluetooth. Okay, so we're going to go to connections, make sure Bluetooth is turned on. We're going to tap on Bluetooth right there. That little spinning thing is searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me, and it'll show up down here. All right, these are still blinking blue, red, so still in the pairing mode. I found the T21s right there. Let's tap right there, pairing. You should get a pairing request with Android phones. Tap on pair right there, and then anyway, we're connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, or you couldn't get into pairing mode, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look below in the link in the description area.